Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing okay. I have got another beauty box to share with you as always, and it is the Asos beauty box for July. I'm a little late in uploading this, well actually purchasing it, because I wasn't initially going to buy it, but a few days ago Asos had an offer on and I managed to get 20% off. Unfortunately that offer's not on their website at the moment, it's gone back up to £18, but it's still available, so I thought I'd do an unboxing anyway just to show you what's inside. So if you're interested in this for yourself, then as always you'll find a link to it down below in my description, and down there you'll see all my other discount codes and offers to other websites, so you're welcome to take a look. So yes, at Asos then, if you've never heard of Asos beauty boxes before, Asos bring out a beauty box every single month, usually around the first few days or the first week of the month. £18 is the usual cost of the boxes. Sometimes they are a bit more, but that all depends on the content. Sometimes they bring branded boxes out as well, so they tend to be a little bit more. So there's 5 items in this box and it has a value of £54. It's not a subscription, they release them on their website, you get to see exactly what's inside the box, so yeah, if it's for you, you can get it. If not, then you don't have to. No signing up or anything like that. You always get a little leaflet and it just gives you a basic background on the box. So it's the Sun Set and Glow edit. Everyone loves a holiday, but the pack in front, not so much, especially when it comes to fitting your beauty routine into a carry-on. Liquids, limits and all. That's where the joy of minis comes in. We've curated a bespoke edit of summer beauty essentials to take the stress out of a suitcase space. From SPF to body oil, this travel-friendly beauty box has you covered. I'll do it all in order. We've got the Ritual of Karma body oil. Ritual's the secret to your summer glow. Nourish dry and sun-drenched skin with a shimmery body oil scented with lotus and white tea. This is one of my favourite scents from the Rituals collections. I absolutely love it. It was my birthday last weekend and my daughter, oh excuse my hair looks like I've been pulled through a bush, it's so frizzy. Ignore that. But yeah, my daughter bought me this projection necklace, which is so gorgeous. It's got my 2 little dogs in the middle there. You can't see it unless you put your eye right up close. But she also bought me a Ritual of Karma reed diffuser and some fudge as well, which is so nice. But yeah, this is a body oil, a shimmering body oil. Just put a little bit on my hand to show you. So it's the Ritual of Karma scent and then the body oil then. So this is really, really nice for applying to your skin on a night out, on your shoulders, your chest. I don't know if you'll be able to pick up the shimmer there, but it's really pretty and it smells amazing and it leaves your skin soft as well. Okay, what's next then? We've got a Golden Tan Maximiser After Sun Lotion. I know what this is. And this is Lancaster. On the subject of glow, keep yours locked in for weeks with this tan maximising lotion. Formulated with baruti oil. Have I said that right? Baruti. This must-try product aims to hydrate and soothe. There's 50 mils there. It's a Golden Tan Maximiser. So yeah, prolongs a tan for up to a month. Pointless for me. I'm fact 50 from morning till night. I love a fake tan, which I'm not sure that this would work on a fake tan. Be good. So whenever I get this in beauty boxes, I always pass it on. But it feels nice though. Oh yeah, it smells gorgeous. Normally I've seen in beauty boxes just a really tiny sample, like 5 mils or something. But because this is 50 mil, I might actually keep this because it does feel really nice and just use it as a moisturiser. Next, we've got a sheet mask. This is Flash Mask Illuminate Sheet Mask by Patchology. If you've been spending more time outside, your skin will thank you for this little extra boost. Consider it a fuss-free facial you can enjoy on the go. A nice sheet mask there. I'm not sure if I've tried this one. I love the Patchology under eye patches, the gels. Oh, they're gorgeous. But yeah, this is an Illuminate, the Real Glow Getter. There's 2-pack. Does that mean it's half and half? Or there's actually 2 masks in there? It does say up there, look. A 2-pack. It contains grapefruit seed extract, which provides antioxidant protection from environmental stresses. Vitamin C helps firm the look of skin. It does feel a bit thicker than normal, so maybe there is 2 in there. Oh, it's got it down here as well. It contains licorice extract. No, I can't imagine it being 2, because once you open it, that's it, isn't it? Yeah, it's probably half and half for your face. I won't know until I open it, and I'm not going to open it now. But it does feel thicker than normal. Next we got Ultrasun Face SPF 50+, arguably the most important product in this lineup. Ultrasun's SPF 50+ lightweight moisturiser is formulated to block out damaging UV rays whilst maintaining moisture levels and reducing appearance of fine lines. And there's 25 mils there. Yeah, I've used this many times. It's a nice SPF to wear under makeup. Love the fact it's SPF 50. It's also infrared A, blue light. It's an anti-aging, sun protection for sensitive skins, water resistance, advanced Swiss skincare. So there's that. And then lastly, Tan-Luxe, the Gradual Illuminating Tanning Lotion. Given you'll be lathering on the Factor 50, this Gradual Tanning Lotion is the key to a gorgeous and crucially natural sun-kissed look. Without the damage. There's 100 mils here. And I'm really not sure if I've tried this. I've tried their other products, but I don't think I've tried a Gradual Tanning Lotion. Yeah, it's really watery. A unique oil and lotion hybrid to smooth and condition the skin while developing a supernatural glow. And colour develops 1 to 2 hours. But yeah, Illuminating Gradual Tan by Tan-Luxe there. And those are all the items in this month's Asos Beauty Box. We've got a Lancaster Golden Tan Maximizing Lotion. We've got Ritual of Karma Shimmering Body Oil. We've got an Ultrasun SPF 50 Moisturising Lotion. We've got Tan-Luxe, the Gradual Tanning Lotion. And lastly, Patchology Illuminating Sheet Mask. There's not a bad box, is it? When I first saw it, I was like, which is why I didn't go for it straight away. And to be honest, I think I was away in Cyprus as well when it came out. Even though I love it, the only thing I'm likely really to give away now is the Ritual of Karma, the Shimmering Oil. It's only because I've got loads of them already. But yeah, normally I give this one away, but it just feels so nice and it smells nice as well. So yeah, body lotion for me. Yeah, overall, I think it's not a bad box at all. But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. Asos beauty boxes are hit and miss. Obviously, some months are better than others. But yeah, I'd love to hear what you think. Whether you bought one for yourself or you're watching this and you're like, I don't know. I'd love to know. So please comment down below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.